Hello friends, welcome back. In this tutorial, you will learn about concept of adding flexibility to already placed components. So let's get started. Many designs contain flexible components such as springs, clips, rubber washer, and so on. All these components typically vary geometrically in their assembled condition. For example, you can position a spring with various compression length in different locations throughout an assembly. Creo parametric enables you to select any component in any assembly and make it flexible. The component does not have to contain predefined flexible items. To make a component of an assembly flexible, select the component, right-click it, and select Make Flexible. This opens the file name. Prepare Varied Item dialog box. With the dialog box open, you can select the flexible items and type the values that are used by the flexible component. Let's see the practical example of adding flexibility to already placed component. We have this nozzle assembly and we will remove the interference between the components by adding the flexibility inside the components. First of all, we will select the nozzle house B and we will add flexibility inside this component to remove interference. For that, we will select the component, right-click it, and select Flexible Component. In drop-down menu, select Make Flexible. In the Nozzle House B, Varied Item dialog box, select the Dimension tab. That is already selected. Now we will click on the component to add dimension. We will select the dimension 12 and we will make it flexible. We will change dimension 12 to 14. You can see the interference has been eliminated from the nozzle house B, but remain in the nozzle house T. Now we will select the nozzle house T part and we will make it flexible. Here again, we will select the dimension tab that is already selected. Here we will select the component. Now we will select dimension 8. Here we will change dimension 8 to 7. You can see the interference has been eliminated. Remember, predefined flexibility that you added to component is saved with that component model and can be used anytime that component is placed. Flexibility that is added to an already placed component is not saved with the component. The flexibility is only saved within the assembly model. To save time, you should add and save flexible items in components that are regularly assembled in the flexible state. This way, you are not required to reselect the items each time the component is placed. This completes the demonstration. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Let us know in the comment section if you have any questions or topic you want us to cover next.